going on, guys? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review. And today we're looking at a little bit of a different one. Got a round black claw knife right here. Now, this thing was actually supposed to be pretty cool. You've got your lanyard right here, little ball chain that you can hang on your keychains. Your lanyard hole right there, this is the back of the knife. And then right here, this is how it's going to open. You're just basically going to slide that, boom, and it opens just like that. Get you a round little pocket knife here. Now, bad thing about it is it does not lock. I thought it did, but it doesn't. And you can't really see it well with this black background. Maybe if I put this scale behind it. Let's see. Can you see it better? Yeah, maybe a little bit. But, guys, that's it. Just a quick review on it. The blade doesn't seem to be terribly sharp, but if you needed a little claw knife, boom, it folds up just like that. You got it on your keychains. I'll tell you what, since I got it right here in front of me, let's check it out. It almost seems planned, doesn't it? Yeah, 1 ounce. I actually thought it was going to be less than that. But anyway, guys, if you want to go check out a more in-depth review, we can probably see it a little better where we dive really deep into this knife. Be sure to go check us out at Product Probes. That's our other channel. It's even got a little thumb stud right there on the blade. And down here, your mechanisms, you know, they're really just for show. But little round knife, something different, boom. But anyway, guys, that's it. Just a quick review on this little round, I wouldn't call it a ceramic, but a little claw circle knife. So, anyway, guys, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go check it out. And also to the more in-depth review that we got over on our other channel. So, appreciate you watching, guys, and I will see y'all in the next one.